It's a perfect situation.
This is my kitchen, but it looks a bit like a fruit and veg shop. This is what I've harvested yesterday. As you can see, the tomatoes are just going red, so that's why I brought them in the house, because of the bug damage I'm getting. These are the ones that have been ripening on my table for a couple of days. These are the ones I've put in the fridge because they're ripe, and there isn't an unripe yellow tomato. That is the last of my summer squash. I haven't had many of them. These are some that are ripening, and a lot are ready to be sorted. There's another load of onions that I've been drying, and I'm going to need onions today, so I brought a load of them in. And this is a pile of potatoes. They're small, so they're not going to last, so I'm going to try preserving them. I don't want to can them. I can preserve these either water bath can or pressure can, because I've got both. But I think I might be freezing a lot of things. So this is basically what I'm doing at the moment. The first thing I'm going to do is wash a lot of potatoes to boil. Yeah, you can probably hear my dehydrator going behind me. It's full of apples and tomatoes. But this is what I've been doing this afternoon, which is some stewed tomatoes with chilies in there, and when that's cool, I'll be putting them in containers and they'll go in the freezer in just like one meal portions, you know, for two people anyway, meal each. I've washed and taken out the green centres of these Roma tomatoes, and there's about £4 of them there, and they're going in the freezer as is. I made a pasta salad and potatoes salad. I have also chopped up some of the rhubarb, well, all of the rhubarb I've got actually, and put in a bag for freezing. That cabbage, some of it is in with the potato salad, and the rest I have blanched, and that will be going in the freezer. The peppers I've cut them up. Oh, I should have put some in the salad. Probably will do now. These. I cooked a load more potatoes than I needed, and these are now in the freezer, and they'll be for any time I want potato salads in the future. I don't have to cook them up. And apart from a bit of pasta, a bit of mayonnaise and a few mushrooms, everything out of the garden. And I'm shattered now. Only a few dishes to go. But I think I'm going to leave them until tomorrow, because I've had enough now. Needs killing me. I apologise now for how disjointed this video might be, because I did too much, so I left everything and I did nothing the next day, and just left these in the dehydrator, and then at night I was able to just pull them out and put them in these jars. These are the apple pieces, and these are the tomatoes, and oh, that's all I could do yesterday. Do a bit more today, but not much. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect